Finally, topic 13.1, doing three-dimensional shapes. So a three-dimensional shape usually is considered a solid, and it takes up space. So one that we're going to be dealing with quite often is a cube. So see if you can start practicing how to draw a cube. Here we have one. That's going to be your assignment tonight. And on a cube, the sides, what we sometimes call sides, in geometry are called faces. So each one of these is a face. And of course you have some more faces that you can't see. And these are called the edges. Okay. The corners, like right here, those are called, a single one is called a vertex. Let me write that out for you. That's a vertex. But when we talk about multiple corners, those we refer to as vertices. So our figures, you can have these cubes. They can also be rectangles. Go like this. Trust me, you're going to have practice doing these. But anytime you have a solid that has sides that are parallel or congruent, the opposite sides are congruent, they're equal. These we call prisms. In this case, this would be a rectangular prism. Let's see if I can draw a triangular prism. That would be a triangular prism. The side that you can't see would be back there. Some other fun three-dimensional shapes you'll run into, like, see if you recognize this. This would be called a what? A cylinder, right? And usually when you draw these, the side that you can't see, you use a dotted line. So here we have a solid that has the circular bases. Here's a base here, and here's a base. And again, those are congruent and parallel also. How about this? What would you call this? Kind of goes up like that. And again, this is three-dimensional. Put a dotted line there. That would be a cone. So you have the base down at the bottom, and then it all comes up right here to one point. You can also have pyramids. This would be a rectangular pyramid. Let's see if I can draw this. And kind of go up to a point here. We'll have that. Oh, that's kind of pretty good. That would be a triangle or a rectangular pyramid because the base is a square or a rectangle. You can also have a triangular pyramid where the base is a triangle. Again, these right here, those are called edges, and then you have where all the sides of the shapes join. Those are each called a vertex. And we would say like this rectangular pyramid has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. Okay, your assignment is to follow those instructions over on the right and give me the shape that it calls for, and below that write the number of edges, faces, and vertices that it has. Turn that into the basket in the morning.